Hey, welcome to this video. My name is Shedrack, and on this video, I'm going to be showing you how to start as a store owners, how to actually own a store on Exclusivekr platform. So, for those of you that are new to the channel, what is Exclusivekr? Exclusivekr is an online marketplace where you can actually buy or sell products in real time in Nigeria, in Africa, and the globe. Okay, do well to subscribe to the channel, which is Exclusivekr Biz. This channel is dedicated to teaching you how to actually navigate your way around the processes of how to get started with Exclusivekr. So we'll be able to cover a lot of videos, technical training. So go to the playlist. Once you're on the playlist, you can actually go through and see all the videos we have done in the past as regard to each of the what's it called, the processes of how you have to get started, even as a customer, or maybe you want to buy product. How do you actually do? All of them are all covered on the channel. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, like and share this video. On this video, critically, we are looking at how to actually own a store on Exclusivekr. Now we're able to done justice to the customer account processes on the YouTube channel. That's why I said you should actually go subscribe to the channel, because we have done a lot of videos that has to do with, like, okay, customers, how to actually sign up as a customer. But right now, this video we are specifically looking at how to actually what's called own a store. Now, what is a store? A store is a place where you actually say something, right? Just like your physical business, you want to just say something on Exclusivekr. Instead of limiting yourself to maybe 12 hours a day, you can easily come to here, which is exclusivekr.com, and then list your products. So we're going to be looking at it on this series. So it's going to be a series. So this is just the first series on the road. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, which is Exclusivekr Biz, so that you'll be notified whenever we make another series on this. And also go through the series, which is vendor training. You'll be able to see all the series as well. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Just hit that subscription button so that whenever we make that update, you'll be notified right away. So having said that, we are going to be using mobile, because most of us are making use of our mobile devices to access the internet. And also it's very flexible on mobile as well, which is exclusivekr.com. So before I proceed to show you, the first thing we have to understand about owning a store on Exclusivekr, let's look at the store directory to understand example of how a store looks like here. So when you click on this menu tab here on your device, so once you click on that sections, it's going to take you to the place where you have to see other menus. So on this other menus, you have to click on view store, right? So this particular section, just click on that view store. So once you click on view store, it will take you to the place where you have to see all the stores that's listed on Exclusivekr. So Exclusivekr, as I said earlier, is a marketplace where you can actually sell all their products, be it physical products or digital products. You can sell it here. Okay, so we're looking at these are stores that are listed here. So what we are doing on this series is to learn how to actually build any of these store here that you are actually seeing here. So that's the whole essence of this particular training. Okay, so let me just show you other stores that is here. There's a lot of stores that are here. So for instance, let me show you one of the store here. Let me just show you one of these store. If you click here, you can click here. Let me just show you one of these store. So that you can actually understand what we intend doing on this particular series. So you can see here, this store has a banner, which of course you can see here. We're going to learn how to do this. Not only that, this store also has a logo. You can see it right away. We're going to learn how to build this. It also has a description, right? So this is all we need to learn on this series. Okay, he also has a product. So we're going to be learning how to design products, how to do a lot of things on this series. So don't miss a thing on this particular series. So I believe you get a picture of what we want to intend doing right away. So I haven't done that. Let's now proceed on how to actually get started. What are the things you need to get started? How do you get started to own a store on Exclusivekr? It's very simple. All you have to do is to have a basic account. Okay. So right now, I'm just going to walk you on how to, maybe you don't have an account yet. Just click on login register, and then it will prompt you to either sign in, which is use your existing account to sign in, or you create an account. So right now, I'm just going to click on this create account. Just assume that, okay, we don't have an account. I just want to show you something to get started. Okay, so here you just have to fill up your parameters, your details, fill all these details, right? And then click here. Instead of selecting I'm a customer, please select I am a vendor, right? So you have to select I am a vendor here. So once you click on select I'm a vendor here, the system is going to let me just uh, fill in this we have already created an account before now, but I'm just going to use something just to show you something. So once I select, put your password. Your password is very important because you're going to be using it to log in. So put your first name, and put your last name. Then shop name. It's very important you define a good shop name. Okay, this your shop name is very important because that is what people will use to identify you on the marketplace. So here I'm going to just put in smart income. Okay, we can actually change this later. You can actually change this particular URL later. Okay, but I'm going to show you the one that you cannot be able to change. You can see it now. Once you are entering your store name, the system is actually picking it to know whether it's available on the store directory. Cool. So you can see it now. So you can see that this particular name is available. That is why the system, if you click, you will see that the system will check to see whether the name is available. So you can see that this name is not available, not available. Can you see it now? So for instance, if you want to now say smart income tech, something like this, let me check. The system actually going to check the name to see if the name is available, and you can see that this name is available. Okay, so what are you waiting for? Don't wait until someone has taken over the name of your business on this particular platform, right? So here you just have to put in your address. Okay, this address is going to be showing on your store. Okay, so let me just make it okay. So if you have second address, you can put it right away here. Then here you have to put in the town. Then the zip code, you can just put a random number here. Then the country, you have to select the country which you base as pay where your business is located. If it's not located in Nigeria, please select all the countries are welcome to participate on this platform. So states, once you select your country, for instance, if I select something like this, it's gonna take state as in anything you select here. If it is Norway, it's gonna show you that country. What's it called? State or something that is required on that particular country. I believe you are getting it. So you can see how everything is showing now. But like right now, I just selected Nigeria just to show you what I mean by that. If you select Nigeria, it's going to show you just to pick a state in Nigeria. Okay, so I'm just going to pick a state. Once I pick a state, the next thing is the company name, which is like Smart Income Tech. So the bank name of bank where people are gonna pay you money, right? When you sell products, where is the people is gonna pay as like where is Exclusivekr gonna pay you money for like how does Exclusivekr vendorship work? It's very simple. You have a product you want to sell, right? Someone comes in to buy that product using Exclusivekr secure payment system. So when the product is being delivered, which you of course you have delivered the product, the Exclusivekr management team is going to pay you that amount of money, taking a little commission out of that sales, right? That's how the whole process works. So this particular bank here is the place where that particular amount is going to send be paid to you, right? When a sale occur on your what's called your store. I believe that is quite understand. So you have to actually put something that it mustn't be that a registered bank as like based on your business. Okay, it shouldn't be like okay, what if I don't have a registered company. That's why Exclusivekr is there. But if you have a registered company, no problem. You can also use personal account here. Okay. So you can use personal account here. So here I'm just going to put Zenet. Then you're going to put in the phone number. This phone number is just like, okay, you want to put in phone number that what's called that people can reach out to you, right? That's what that uh, feed means. So put in phone number that you can actually people can reach out to you. So here is a very important place where you have to pay attention. So you can see here that is a subscription package for you to list your store here on Exclusivekr. You need to select a package, right? So here you can see basic package, which is currently sitting at rate of 2,000 naira to own a store here. So there's a lot of benefits. We're going to be exploring in this next series on what are the difference between each of these packages. So you can see good, you can see starter, which is 1.5, you can see premium. So each of these are all available here. So take note of this. And once you are done with your selection, for instance, I'm selecting starter, for instance, all you have to do is to click on register. Okay. And then the system will now acknowledge your registration and then prompt you to make your payment, right? So once you make your payment, your store will be automatically activated by the system, right? That's how you actually onboard yourself as to own a store on Exclusivekr. Remember, this is actually the first series on this video. In the next series, we are going to be looking at how to actually upgrade the accounts, like existing customer accounts. You want to now upgrade it to a vendor to actually have a vendor facilities, and also how to actually manage the vendor system. So we're going to be looking at a lot of what's it called? A lot of technical training on vendorship onboarding. So do well to subscribe to the channel, like and share this video. That's Exclusivekr, because this is where we're going to be making those videos happening live and direct. So and also get started with Exclusivekr, get back to the person that is referring to this particular training, and then let the person onboard you, or also get yourself onboarded by using any of our video training series. I remember Mr. Shedak. I'm going to see you in the very next video. Until then, get started with Exclusivekr and then thank me later.